Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how to create a three-dimensional map in QGIS. To do that, I need first to have some 3D data, and I use this raster here. It's a DEM. It's a height raster of the region around the Sea of Galilee. And let's just make it a bit nicer. So now the first thing I have to do is make sure that the CRS is appropriate. Some of the CRSs aren't working. If you're not in Israel, you can use 3395, which is this one, and that will work everywhere. So all we need to do, create a 3D view, is push View, 3D Map. Then we have to go to the settings and define which of the layers is the vertical axis. Usually you will want to exaggerate the vertical axis, so let's put it on 20. You can change some other settings here, but once you've done that, you can see that you're now in 3D. You are now in 3D, but usually you will want to rotate the map. So push your left shift and the left mouse. You can rotate your map and can play with the mouse and make it look nicer. This is it. Bye.